Ladies and gentlemen, gossip day for town. No wonder.
Today on Celebrity Garage, the Kingmaker record boss HARRYSONG takes us through his cars as we visited his crib in Lekki, Lagos. He showed us around the features and why he likes his cars.
From May 29th, we done day for June 12th. Selense. Before we go, no Christmas go be June 30th. Everybody nine. Selense go. Orange, lipopo, zambezi. Who no want us to Selense? Nice a big Selense. We don't jollof Selense. I want Selense, a two Selense. Because there is no one greater than.
There is certainly a time in one's life where all you dream about is having your own cars and houses. Just like a child's first step. If you really work towards it, you will definitely have all that and more. Hello people, welcome to Celebrity Garage. We are right here in a celebrity's crib. A very famous celebrity, a former 5-star music artist, now onto Kingmaker Records, HARRYSONG. We will be going through his cars and lots more. Come with us.
Sister, I beg Selense. Them say president, now they call it phone. Even the Mercedes, no people like proof.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy HARRYSONG, aka Mr. Songz. You're welcome to my home. This is my garage, and this is Celebrity Garage. This is my episode. All right. Thank you. Stay tuned. This is my Mercedes. Benz is class, especially on this level, and then some extra touch on this one because it was low when we brought it. It took like 3-4 seconds to come up when you start it. You give it like some time to just come up.
He showed us around the features and why he likes his cars.
When you say Mercedes-Benz on this level, people, the first thing that comes to your mind is class. This is a machine, you know. So I go out with this one on events, some special occasions, you know. And then you can see the plate number is Kingmaker. Yeah, the Aviator is like a runaround one for me for now.
He also made it known that he is driving his dream car. That's his Mercedes-Benz.
My dream car everly has been the Mercedes. Yeah, I didn't even thought of this one. I would know the Mercedes 300 or 350. You know, it would have been just okay for me. But there was money. There was money after the time I wanted to get the other one, and when at the Aviator. So when they said, okay, we needed a new car, there's money to get it, so I got it. I got this one. You know, so it has been Mercedes.
He also added more on safety tips, customized plate numbers, and what he will never be caught doing.
For the Aviator, you feel it. Most times you feel it from the brake, and when you want to be on a high speed, you don't say much on the board.
Me feeling, make me shouty otito, happiness. You give me happiness.
But on the Mercedes, everything is on the board. You understand? When you start your car, you will see it, you see everything. The condition is like a hot chick. You understand? Yeah, this car is perfect today. This one is wrong today. The tire pressure is like this. This one is 62. This one is 21. This one is like that. It says everything on the board. So you don't need to. You don't need to start calling one mechanic or one whatever. You know, everything is on the board. You can see it, and you know this one needs to be fixed. This one needs to be adjusted. That one needs to go on. You know, so I see everything on the board. So basically, I know maybe in the next, because we service every 6 months. Yes, we service every 6 months. So before servicing, we already know where which to touch. So that. This is Kingmaker, the other one is altar plate, you know. Because of the brand HARRYSONG, I think it's just a little bit, it's just easier for us and sometimes a little bit stylish. Safety tips, your seatbelt, always. Put on your seatbelt, get in your car, start your car, you put on your seatbelt. Don't drink and drive. Don't be too fast in your cars. No, we have fast cars these days. Even before you get to the throttle, we're already at the junction. Alright, don't beat the traffic lights. Stay safe, stay blessed. Selense, all the way. Thanks.
Hold me now, hold me now. Help me if you get nana.
It is beautiful. You don't know tomorrow. We're not praying for bad things to come, but sometimes these things just happen unexpected. So if you are insured, you can have a backup. You can have an assistance to recover. You know, even if it's a car, it's a house, or whatever it is. But it's good. And when you have any situations such as accidents, car burns, or whatever it is, you can have a backup for that.
In conclusion, he made it known that he services his cars regularly and will never drink while driving. It was indeed an amazing experience with HARRYSONG on Celebrity Garage. To join us again next week.
It has been an amazing time right here in HARRYSONG. We've been able to go through his cars and experience it. It's been awesome and I love every bit of it. If you want to see more A-list artists on Celebrities Garage, then keep it there with me same time next week. Bye-bye.
I love you. This is not about the money and it's not about the fame. Happiness. You give me the way you got me feeling. The way you got me feeling. Make me shout, oh, happiness. You give me happiness.